Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing a caramel pudding recipe which is very tasty yet quick and easy. In a saucepan, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Put the saucepan on medium flame, stir in between and let the sugar caramelize. Switch off the flame once the sugar caramelizes into a nice color. Pour the caramel into a mold and cautiously swirl it. Keep it aside. In a mixer jar, add 3 eggs, three tablespoons of sugar, three and a half tablespoons of condensed milk, half teaspoon of vanilla essence, one-fourth teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and 1.5 cups of milk. Blend it. Pour it into the mold. Cover the top of the mold properly with aluminium foil. Steam for 25 to 30 minutes on medium flame. Once cooled, turn the pudding into a plate. This yummy caramel pudding is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.